also want to make one other point. What kind of association? Sometimes for us, association is only with the devotee who is senior. It's not that. Association is of three kinds. Sometimes we associate with devotees who are senior to us. Sometimes we associate with devotees who are little newer to us in Krishna consciousness or junior to us. And sometimes we associate with devotees who are on a equal platform with us. Now, in a devotee's life, we need to take association with all three of them, and more so ever with devotees who are with us on an equal platform, because that can cause a lot of purification. Because when we associate with devotees who are senior to us, it's very easy and very simple. Because those who are senior to us, we always have the thinking that they are pure devotees, so we have no complaint with them. And those who are junior to us, we always have sympathy towards them because they are new and they think we are pure devotees, so we are kind to them. But the problem comes when we want to associate with devotees who are on the same platform. Now the whole trouble starts. This is something like, when you drive a car on a national highway, it's very easy because there are lots of distance between car to car. Some cars are really far from us and some cars are way behind, right? So some cars are the cars of the senior devotees. They're just going fast on the way to Goloka, and then some are behind. We want to guide them. But the most difficult part to drive car is when we drive car in a traffic jam, because that's where accidents happen. So to associate with senior devotees, it's easy. To associate with junior devotees, it's easy. But when we associate with the devotees on the same platform, that's where the trouble starts. Because that's where all problems will start. Our ego props in. That's the place where all these different things will prop up. Why should I? Or why can't he do this? Or why did he speak like this to me? So I feel that not only associating with senior devotees, we should also try to take association with devotees who are on the same level, because that gives a huge purification. Because I remember this one example given by Hanuman Prishyak Maharaj. He said that just like if you have stones which are very sharp ended, and if you put all those stones inside a bag, then what will happen is that the stones, when they just clash with each other, they start softening each other. Something like, if you have been to Haridwar, you can see that near the bank of Ganga, the stones are very soft, round and nice, because what has happened over the period of time, the waves of the water keep splashing on the stone and making them soft, So sometimes when we associate with devotees from different backgrounds, different places, different swabhavas, and when we associate with them regularly, then, though we may hurt each other, but in this whole process, we soften each other also, or I would use the right word, we also help each other giving up our anarthas. Like those porcupines, they are the thorny animals, they stick together in winter time, but they are full of thorns and they prick each other, but at least they are safe because they are together. So in a devotee community, when we associate, there ought to be some problems, but when we stick together, then we help each other giving up anarthas, because he will hurt my ego and I will hurt his false ego, and in this whole process we will end up purifying each other. So jeno teno prakarena, by somehow or the other, we need to associate, be in a community, stick together, because outside world is full of Maya. So if we stick together, devotees, then we can protect each other. Like you see, even these animals, they have these signs. If you see these deers, they almost all the time are walking or grazing together. Because if they are grazing together, then there are less chances of a lion or a tiger to attack them. But sometimes you see in a herd of deer, there may be some small deer who gets attracted to some green grass somewhere, and when the deer starts grazing and the other deers leave ahead, then the lion or the tiger feels, oh right, now is the time, I got this deer all alone, and the lion or the tiger attacks the deer. So same thing happens in our devotional life too. When we are in a devotee community, then there are less chances for Maya to attack us. But the moment we stay back for some greener pastures, or we getting attracted to something, and we leave the association of devotees, that is where Maya gets chance to attack us. So we should always try to be in association of devotees, and try to associate with devotees on all levels, whether they are senior to us or on the same level, because every association purifies us.
Sab Krishna, Krishna, Krishna lage. Sab Krishna, Krishna, Krishna lage. Sab Krishna